Welcome back, YouTube. This is part 2 of the series. So last video you see we got everything mounted up, and within 2 days that clutch burned out. Camera looks dirty. At least the lens does. Is that better? Can you see me better? So the plan is take this motor mount right here and probably move it somewhere about here or here-ish. I'm going to pull it off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do pillow blocks here for a jack shaft setup. So you'll have the jack shaft here run into the sprocket, and then this side of the jack shaft run into the motor, but it's actually going to be a torque converter. So I'm going to have the 212. I'm probably going to upgrade to the 420, if we're being honest with each other. And the dream, probably part 3, possibly 4. 3. It'll be 3 parts if we just stick with the 420 and never do anything else. But it'll be a 4-part build if we go 3 or a 420 and then a motorcycle motor. So that's what I'm going to time lapse today. Is me knocking these welds out, moving this plate, getting it situated where it's going to go on the frame, and then looking at setting up the jack shaft and everything. quick little interlude. Got the jack shaft set up, hopefully, possibly, where it's going to be at. Can't really see it, it's starting to get dark, so that's why I went in and took it off with the time lapse. That should be about it. This nut will go all the way to here. Put some thread lock on it. Got this lock collar on here. There's a lock collar on there. And you can't really see anything from here. Anyways, this hyper tough sawzaw is garbage. Don't buy it. I'm going to be returning it tomorrow. Started to cut some off the plate, but I can't get it off. It keeps stopping. So I don't know if it's overheating, doesn't have a good enough charge. So I'm going to let it charge for like an hour. I'm going to be out here in the dark trying to cut that plate off. What are we doing today, guys? I'll show you what we're going to do today. Today, we're going to actually get this motor mounted. And hopefully running today. I think there might be something wrong with it, but definitely get it mounted up and back to running condition, hopefully. Enjoy the video. Just a quick time lapse. Next video will be me hopefully having it running. Later, Tato. Boom, boom, boom. Hey YouTube. So here we are a day or two after that last time lapse you saw, and fired the motor up, got her running, things mounted, so you can see chain, torque converter, everything's nice and straight, ready to go. Fired it up, and you can see that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Boom. Boom goes the dynamite. So, till the next time I see you guys, I'm going to do something with this project. Bye.